Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we have been invited by Grandma Sandy, be sure and go by and see her channel, to do a garden fairy video. And what we have done, I teamed up with Tammy Powley and Karen from Starch and Stitches, and what we're doing is we're showing our fairies again out in a garden setting. And this is out across the Katy Trail from my house. We live in farm country, and these fields are right outside our door. We sit on our front porch and watch them grow. My fairy got a new dress, and this is how I made it and her little shoes. My fairy needs a new dress. So I'm taking the tulle off of the Dolls Gone Goth bridesmaid dress, and rather than just hacking it off, I'm cutting it very carefully so that I can make a dress with the tulle. I just love my little fairy doll, and she gets to be in this video too, but she needed a change of clothes. So what I did, if you watched the videos from the Angry Bridesmaids on June 16th that I did with J Dolls UK as a collab challenge, you saw that I cut the tulle off of Nicole Steele's dress. And what I did with that is I sewed it under and gathered it. And then I found this. This is what it looks like on the spool. I found this at the Dollar Tree. And I cut it in half and I added it. I actually did that by machine. I added it to the bottom of the dress. And then I did it with a big stitch, and then I kind of gathered it too by pulling that string. And then this goes around here. And what I did is I sewed this on. I don't know if you can see it. There's a snap on there, silver. I sewed that on for her belt under her bust. And then Darren 3D printed these little flip-flops, and what I'm gonna do is that has a fold over. I'm gonna heat up some water and make these shoes. Vicky's gonna help me. She is my mannequin, and she is the doll that I size everything on. In fact, I just made this little outfit, and I made another one because I like it so much, but she's my little mannequin, and we're gonna use her feet. I heated up a cup of water in the microwave. I'm dipping the shoes on a needle nose. And what you do is you fold this top over till it meets the other side. Kind of push it back a little bit. I'm using a chopstick. We tip well at the Chinese restaurant, so no, I don't feel bad about it. And let me show you how this goes on Vicky's foot. She is my little model. And let's get this on, Vicky. But I think it needs one more thing. We got the shoes together, and then I added one piece of the bling from the ribbon and super glued that to the front of the shoe. And now I'm taking the tiniest piece of Loctite, and I'm putting that, I just need a tiny, really tiny piece of that, and I'm putting it to the heel of the shoe, and I'm putting it on her foot so that when I walk outside, we don't lose it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go visit Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, Starch and Stitches with Karen, and Grandma Sandy's channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.